guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a few different curly hairstyles so that when you don't know what to do with your hair, you can come to this video and find one of the few hairstyles I'm going to show you and do it for that day. Okay, so first, my hair is already wet. It's kind of dry now. So before you do this, if you have curly hair, you're going to want to make sure your hair is nice and wet. Mine has almost dried, but I'm going to wet it again. The first hairstyle I'm going to do is half up, half down. Okay, so I'm going to grab a hair tie and just go right behind. I'm looking in the mirror, so don't mind that. And I kind of just wing it and hope that it's split properly. And you can take out the front two pieces just like this. Take some gel. This is the gel I use. It's the Aunt Jackie's Coconut Cream Curl Boss. If your hair is completely drenched, this will be a lot easier. Sometimes I don't really need gel, and it just kind of decides to slip back without any issues. Sometimes I do, so we're gonna actually see if I even need any right now. And you can also take out side pieces. And then add some gel to these pieces so that they don't go crazy when they're dry. Just finger coil them a bit. Since you see the edges, my edges are kind of like crazy. You can take, oh, that was a lot. Take the gel and just slip back your edges a little. It doesn't have to be perfect. Oh, that was a long hair. And then there you go, you have a cute little half up, half down. You could bring some to the front. It looks really cute. Okay, so then now I'm gonna do another slick back style. I'm gonna leave the two curly pieces out. You're going to do a braid. So you just slick your hair back. Take your hair tie, do your ponytail as high as low as you want it. Take out your two side pieces. Go ahead and braid your hair. Leave like this much out of the braid. Tie it off with another little hair tie. Add a bit of gel and then like finger coil it. So it just does that. Fix your edges. Don't judge the edges, guys. They're as good as they're gonna get right now. And then there you have it. And you can pull out your braid. This is like a last day hair, like before wash day, so that you don't have to do too much. Cute. So the next hairstyle is going to be outs. Hair looks so done for right now, but it's fine. Just keep out two strands, and you can like tie them up so they don't get in the way. All you need is one elastic. You just tie it around. I have baby hair, so they stick out a bit. I can never make these stuff even, but I just try my best. And cute! The final hairstyle is one that we all struggle with. A messy bun. But they're so fun to do. So, first of all, make sure your part, if you have one, is like disappeared. It's gonna look crazy for a bit. You just go, bring all of our hair to the top. And you get it as smooth as you can because it's curly hair. So if anybody has something to say about it not being smooth, no, it's fine. I take a scrunchie first and I wrap it twice, just like this. Take out your two little pieces and now you look like a VSCO girl. Now wrap it around and then You just pull out as much as you need, or as you think looks good. Then you can take one of these, hold it. You can wrap it around once, twice, 3 times. Okay, this one's a little bit messier than expected. It is a messy bun, so of course it's gonna get messy. Top it off, just fix your edges a bit as good as you can. This is like the first time in a while that I got my bun to kind of do what I wanted it to do. I know not everybody likes theirs as messy as this, but you can smooth it out a bit and make it not as messy. I love it. This is actually like the first time in forever that I got this as good as I did. My hair is officially done with me and it does not really want to do anything else. It just looks great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and try out some of these hairstyles. Let me know how you like them. Let me know if you want more videos like this because I love doing hair videos. They're really fun. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!